Want to unlock the power of AI-driven voice interactions in the UAE, but don't know where to begin? This tutorial will walk you through connecting a UAE phone number to Vapi Ai using SIP trunking, turning your AI dreams into reality. First, let's head over to the Vapi Ai website. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It's super easy. Once logged in, look for the SIP trunking section, or a similar option related to phone number integration. Inside SIP trunking, you'll need to provide some key details. This will likely involve filling out fields like your desired UAE phone number or the option to port your existing number, authentication credentials, and the SIP server information provided by Vapi Ai. You will then input your number, typically under a section labeled phone number or number to connect. Also, Vapi Ai will provide you with the username and generate a password for the SIP trunk, and you can find a section on the setup labeled authentication or something similar. Next, it's time to configure the SIP settings. Locate the SIP server field along with the inbound and outbound proxies. You'll be provided with these settings directly from Vapi Ai. Make sure that the proxies are compatible with the SIP trunking, so you are able to maintain service. Double-checking each field helps ensures a smooth connection. Once these settings are saved, you should be able to test your connection. Vapi Ai often provides a testing feature, allowing you to make a test call or send a test message. This confirms everything is working correctly. If the test call fails, revisit your entries for accuracy and try again. And there you have it. You've successfully connected a UAE phone number to Vapi Ai using SIP trunking. You're now ready to create amazing AI-powered voice applications. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. #VAPI Number SIP trunking.